What are you trying to learn? NumPy, logical, what is that? Operators. NumPy logical operators. How many NumPy logical operators we have? Three NumPy logical operators we have. One is called as logical underscore and. Second is what? Logical underscore R. Logical underscore not. These three are functions which are available. Now, what the issue is, let us say we are first will try to understand issue. So now we are trying to understand here issue, then we'll go for the solution, we'll go for it. For example, I have a underscore list is equal to, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, we have it. I'm trying to compare this one, let's say 15. I want a underscore list greater than 15 values and a underscore list, what is this? Less than 35 values you wanted. So greater than 15 means 20, 30, 40 is qualified. Less than 35 means what is qualified? 20 and 30 is qualified. 10, 20, 30 is qualified. But both the combination is what qualified 20 and 30. That's what my expected answer. However, if I go and try to execute it, it's throwing the error not supported between instance of list and integer. But it is a genuine question, whatever I am asking it. So to go for that one, we are going for now NumPy first. Let us say NumPy, if you use NumPy, is it solve the problem? That's what my worry. Let us try to create a NumPy array then. Okay, let us try same above requirement with NumPy array. So let us go and try same above requirement with NumPy array. How to create the NumPy array? Import NumPy as NP. Now I want here a underscore, it is a NumPy array. It is a NumPy array, and I'm giving the NP dot function name is called as array, and I want here some set of values. Let's say take it as 10, 20, 30, 40. And whatever you created, you people already aware of it. It is called as now, what is this? It's a NumPy n dimensional array. If you want to see the values inside this one, whatever available, we can observe 10, 20, 30, 40 is available. Now try to apply the same condition. What is the condition? A underscore NP, then array greater than 15 I want it, and A underscore NP, then array less than 35 I want it. If I execute, this also not working. This also not working. What is the meaning of this one? That means and or not is not supported with NumPy array. And or not supported with NumPy array. In order to solve this requirement, what is the solution then? Now the solution for this one is we have to go for separate functions are available for this. Okay, now solution is learn NumPy logical operators. NumPy logical operators means we already learned about in the top. Those are the three things are logical operators what we have it. Now let us go and try to see those things. We are writing here np. Then what is this? Dot. We have the function. That function is called as logical and function. Inside the function, first condition we are passing here a underscore np array greater than 15. That's the first parameter. And we are passing here the second parameter less than 35. We are passing it. And if you see the values false, true, true, false, are seeing it. I am not interested on the trues and false. I am interested on that result. So you have to write here object. My object is a underscore np array. Inside the object square brackets, this condition I have to place it. This condition I am copying and I am trying to place here. Now we are going to get here 20 and 30. We are getting it. Got my point? Now, if I want to work with the next one, that's called as, what is this? Logical, or we have to go for it. Logical underscore R. Now, same requirement, let us go and try to take care, NP, then we are saying as dot.
Just one question.
Go ahead.
See, when we are getting an output, it's giving an output in a form of array. Right, then if I need to use the values of 20, 30, I need to read the array and then print output. That's way, right?
Right, yeah. Suppose now this is what we are trying to do. Let us say map to the A, I mapped it. Okay. Now we can go and you can see now what the values we have in the A is, this is what the values. And the result of this one also will be giving as it's a NumPy and dimension array only. If you want to read any one value inside this one, A of 0, if you say it, we are going to get the 20. Same reading strategy.
Okay.
Now we are going for your logical R. I think simply what you supposed to do is you have to go here and you have to copy and paste this one. You have to use here instead of the logical and what is this? Logical R. That gives you result it is going to give it. This is what I think. All the things are coming into the picture because all the values are it one case is true, right? If you go and try to observe this condition, whatever available specifically, let's take this condition and first execute this condition. We're trying to execute this condition. So now it's saying as what all are true. That's what we got here, all the values we got it. Am I clear? 40 is qualified because greater than 15 I'm asking. 10 is qualified because less than 35 I'm asking. That's how it works. Now next one is available, that's called as, what is that? Logical not. Logical not. Let us go and try to experience about that. Sorry. Now we have here the same condition will take it up to here, for example. Let me take here up to here. So we are trying to put it NP logical, what is this? Not we are trying to say it, and greater than 15 we are saying it. Now we are seeing as true, false, false. Actual scenario is what? If I say only A underscore NP array greater than 15, sorry. Now A underscore, this result only I want to observe it. Let's try to observe the result. Now you can see false, true, false, we have it. Now here if you observe it, exactly opposite or not, false means what you got? True, true means false, true means false, true means false, exactly opposite we got it. These are the three types of operators what we have as part of our course now. One is what? Comparison operators. Second is Boolean operators. Next is Boolean or NumPy operators. Tomorrow we'll go and try to see the next things, we'll try to observe it. And please follow the WhatsApp group for tomorrow class schedule. I'm not sure tomorrow R class data science with R is going on or data science with Python. Okay, once HRS came, I will decide that one and I'll try to put it. Okay, please follow the WhatsApp group and follow that one. Every day, that's what you have to do.
So please request you to add me in the group as well as,
Sure. Immediately, whoever is not available in the group, either ping to the HR or ping to me. This is my number. In the WhatsApp, you ping to me. Immediately, I'm going to share the details to you people. Okay.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Let me write it down, your number. Just a second.
Yeah, no problem.
95737
07079. All sevens.
7. Okay, thank you.
Right, thank you. Bye bye.